Hi, I'm Quaps. Today, I'm here to show you how to fix this error. Okay. You might be seeing many videos and you have tried the hands on it, but still not working. Trust me, this tutorial is gonna work for you. So just follow the process. Never skip. Just follow and concentrate. Follow the process. Okay. So first of all, you need to open your account, your YouTube channel. Then you come to the dashboard. You know already. Then you come to your monetization. So this area, we are going to fix it now. So first of all, we need to click on fixed in AdSense. Okay, so we click in AdSense, then it will take us to our AdSense account. So then if this appeared, just click on I confirm I have freed and I'm meeting the AdSense policies. Okay, it says your account wasn't approved, so just click on this, then resubmit it again. So when you resubmit it, come to account, then click on close account. Okay, we need to close the account. Okay, then close the account. So just tap on it. It says, okay, so we check it, then check all the boxes. Okay, so click on other, there is no reason, then close the account completely. So this will close the account completely. So meaning the email used in attached to your YouTube account, you can't use that same email again. So now you need to create a new email. Sorry, you need to create a new Gmail account. Okay, so you have to create a new Gmail account to continue this process. So now that's how we're gonna do it. I have many Gmail accounts, so by you watching this tutorial, you need to create a new Gmail account that has not been used attached to any AdSense account. Okay, so me, I have many mails, so I'll just use one. By you can create a new one. Okay, so I'm going to use a new mail. Let me check the mail. I hope we all know how to create a mail. Okay, so you just create a new email, then we will continue the process. So this is a new mail. Okay, this is a new mail, so I'll copy the mail. Okay, then I'll go back to my YouTube dashboard. Okay, so I'll come back here, then I'll click on change association, then click on proceed. So this time it says they want to be sure if I'm the owner of the YouTube account. Okay, so I need to enter my password. Okay, so now let's continue. You just click on no, I don't have existing. Click on no, I don't have existing AdSense. Sorry, existing account, then continue. So now you're going to use the new Gmail you created. Okay. So choose yes, you want to receive help and performance suggestion from YouTube. Then you select your country. Either you are in Ghana, US, Nigeria, any part of the world you are, then search through and select your country. So I'm in Ghana, so I'll select Ghana. I know many of us we won't read this, so you just keep and just click on yes, I have accepted, then click on the create account. Okay, so now you enter your address. Okay, you enter your address, your post mail address. Okay, you enter your post mail address. please don't enter what I'm entering here. Just enter a post address that you will have access to in your country. Okay, but if you're in Ghana, the same process. Enter the post address that you will get an access to in your country. Okay, then you submit. For the contact section, it's optional. You can choose to enter your phone number or you can submit it like that. Okay, so we are done. So YouTube is going to reveal it. Okay, so we pause this video, this tutorial. So when we have in the next 24 hours, when we are going to check it back and you'll see how it went. Okay, so now the error will change and it's going to be in either review or in progress here. So it's in progress. So in the next 24 hours, you will check back and find out the results. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, yeah, so guys, in 24 hours I checked back later and the problem was resolved, but it seems the owner of this channel has a copyright or maybe some video he doesn't belong to. So the AdSense was successfully done, but the monetization, he wasn't approved. The YouTube declined his monetization, like they didn't accept him in the partnership program. So let me give you a check. So this is how it was supposed to be. You see, at first at this portion it was error, but if you follow the method I showed you, after that method, here is going to be done. Here is going to be done. I checked back late. That's the reason why the channel I was using, it came like this. I checked back late. So in the next 24 hours where I checked, then I had this, that they didn't accept him in the partnership program due to maybe he has some content he doesn't belong to, as I said before. So if you followed my if you follow the video, this is how it's going to be done. Yeah, the error will change to done. That means that error you were facing is going to be fixed. Then it will come to the get review in progress. Okay, so you can follow me for more tips, and this is how to fix your AdSense error. If you YouTube says or AdSense says your channel has a multiple AdSense accounts and you want to fix this, just follow my tutorial, follow the steps accordingly, and it's gonna be done. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's meet at the top because that's where I'm gonna be. I'm Quabs.